Welcome to the course of Principles of Marketing. In this course, you will be introduced to the basic concepts of marketing and how do marketers make various strategies. In this particular session, the topics covered would be meaning of marketing, core concepts of marketing, and evolution of marketing. As we get started, let us first understand what is marketing and how is it different from marketing management. Marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationship in ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. Marketing management, on the other hand, is the art and science of choosing the target market, getting, keeping, and growing customers by creating, delivering, and communicating superior value. So, what can be marketed? Goods, services, events, experiences, people, places, properties, organizations, information, ideas. That is, from everything which is tangible to everything which is intangible can be marketed to the customer. Even people act as brand ambassadors who can be marketed for a better brand recognition. Let us move on to the different concepts of marketing. The first concept of marketing is on the basis of need, want, and demand. Let us see how these three are different from one another. Need refers to the basic human requirement of food, water, clothing, shelter, education, and recreation. It is the basic purpose of why a product exists. Needs can be of five types. Stated need refers to the customer's want and actual reason for buying the product. Real need is the customers want a car whose operating cost and not the initial price is low. There is an unstated need which the customer does not express. Delight need is that the customer would like certain add-ons to the product or the service which will make him happy. Secret needs are the needs which the customer himself is not aware of. If the marketer can understand the secret need of the customer, then the customer will be more loyal to that marketer. Want refers to directed to specific objects which satisfy the need, whereas demand is want for a specific product backed by an ability and willingness to pay for the product. Moving further, we will discuss segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Segmentation is the process of dividing market into smaller subsegments, identifying distinctive groups who might prefer different products. A target market is after identifying of market segment to decide which segment to cater to, which will be more profitable, which will give me more competitive advantage. Positioning, on the other hand, is in the minds of the target consumers. How can you position your core benefit uniquely in the minds of the consumers so that they can remember you distinctively? Then comes the concept of offerings. Companies address needs by giving a set of benefits that can satisfy customer needs. These benefits are given either in physical form of an offering That can be a combination of product or service. A brand is an offering from a known source. If an offering does not have an identified term, sign, symbol, then it becomes a commodity. Another very important concept in marketing is value and satisfaction. How do customers identify whether they are satisfied with the product or not? How do they derive value from the offering? If you look at this particular pyramid, it has got three quadrants: quality, price, and service. And all three of them are related to one another. Value can be summed as the tangible and intangible benefits with respect to the cost incurred. This cost can be both monetary and non-monetary cost. Satisfaction, on the other hand, reflects a person's judgment of a particular product perceived performance in relation to its expectations. Let us now understand the various philosophies in marketing. The first one is the production concept. Production concept focuses on producing larger quantities of product at a very low cost. So it works on the concept of economies of scale. It concentrates more on production efficiency, and they rarely appreciate what the customer actually wants. They would try to reduce the per unit cost by having more production runs. Product concept is contrary to the production concept. It focuses on design and quality of products and believes that the customers will automatically buy products of high quality. The customers here are not price sensitive, and they are looking for a product which can satisfy their need better. Research and development is an essential element for production concept to be followed. Sales concept. It believes that the customer needs to be persuaded to buy the product. It involves advertising, large-scale promotions, publicity, discount, public relations, etc. It does not take care of the need of customers. It tries to sell what it is producing. Marketing concept. With growing competition, the marketers realized that no longer will they be able to sustain in the market with the sales concept. So they have to start with determination of consumer needs and end with the satisfaction of needs. Marketing concept is a never-ending process. Organizational activities revolve around the customer. Products and services are designed to serve customer needs. Satisfied customers will only produce profits as they would bring in more satisfied customers to the company.